In this video, I will share how we make money, literally 6 figures in less than a year from one account. I'm not showing my other accounts, only one account. And all this money made $118,485 from affiliate marketing. Now, the secret here is very simple. We send traffic, these hops, you see 76,084. These are the visitors. These are the traffic. We send this traffic to our affiliate links. And for affiliate links, we go to affiliate section, then we go to offer section. We take approval from the vendor using this request button. And once we get the approval, we click here to get the link. And this is the affiliate link. We send all our traffic to this affiliate link. Now let me share how we get traffic 100% free. One of the easiest ways to get traffic is using some free tools and a free platform like YouTube. And in this video, we will share step by step how we get traffic, sales, and commissions from YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. First of all, we need to understand why people watch videos on YouTube. So we searched on Google and we found this awesome article. 53% watch online videos to be entertained and inspired. 28% watch online videos to relax or escape. 21% watch online videos to learn something new. Now let's say I'm on YouTube and I am looking for an information about how to remove silence from video in. It can be Premiere Pro or it can be with. Now here is something to understand about audience psychology. People are intrigued to click and view a video based on number 1, the thumbnail, and number 2, the headline or the title. And maybe later they will read a little bit of the visible part of the description. If I'm looking for how to do this task in Premiere and in Adobe Audition, then this thumbnail tells me that I can learn from this video. Then I will read or to remove silence from video, no plugins, Adobe Premiere Pro. I will click on that. If I'm looking for something totally automatic in one click, then this is the video for me. And I am the Vinci Resolve user, then this is the video for me. Now you understand, this particular video is totally confusing in terms of the thumbnail. I don't understand what this thumbnail means. In fact, this particular video has a better thumbnail and more clearer thumbnail than this one. And you can clearly see this video got 209 views in 2 months and this video got 100 views in 3 months. So we understand that thumbnail and the titles are two most important elements to get clicks and views in video. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, if these videos are helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way you get notified next time we upload a new video. In last 20 days, our videos on YouTube got 6,521 views. Now this is amazing because all these views are basically traffic, and traffic is expensive. Well, traffic is the lifeblood of internet marketing. Now we have started this venture, particularly on this channel, very recently. So you may not see big numbers on my videos, but as you can see, the number of views in 28 days is very promising. So how do we do that? How do we manage to publish videos every single day, if not multiple videos per day? Also, a lot of our videos get a very high click-through rate. As you can see, according to Google, average CTR or click-through rate on YouTube videos is 4 to 5%, while we are getting 8% to 9%. In this video, I'm going to show you how we are achieving this. For that, we use our common sense. Number 1, videos must get high clicks and high watch time, which means when viewers will view our thumbnail and headline, they should click on the video and they should watch our videos for a long time, if not the complete video. In order to achieve this, we use 2 AI softwares to create thumbnails, luckily within a few seconds. But good news for you, link in the description will give you free AI softwares with which you can achieve the same. So anytime you think you need, click links in the description. The second AI software helps us write lucrative YouTube titles and descriptions. So yes, let's go jump in. Hey, it's Mosh Bari, welcome to this video. Now I'm going to share how we research on video topics and create our videos super fast. If we go from scratch, then we will go to Google and YouTube. And let's say we want to learn and we want to make videos about how to make money on a unique topic. First thing we do is go to Ubersuggest or Google Keyword Planner tool to find keywords with low SEO difficulty. So our niche is earn money online. This could be the main topic, and we searched with ideas, and the volume has to be 100 plus, SEO difficulty difficulty has to be the lowest. So I chose earn money online on PayPal. Then I went to YouTube and tried to understand what is the keyword volume on YouTube. I mean, what is the search volume on YouTube for this keyword? And I found amazing numbers. When I looked for weighted results, which means whether the keyword is good for my channel or not, it even shows that it's very good. Okay, this looks very promising. Now I want to get ideas from Google, and then I came to Google and searched with how to make money from. Now I'll get some ideas, like crazy ideas. Okay, so I opened this article and I found test websites and apps. Okay, little promising. Now I'll go deeper. Get paid for testing products. And I found this one, get paid to user testing, make money, earn $4 every 5 minutes test. So for me, all these are very promising. Now I need my research board. So I'll go to my research folder. I'll open the research spreadsheet and I'll add a spreadsheet with today's date, and I will open a Google slide file. This will help me take screenshots and post screenshots as images. So I will start with this, copy here, simply paste it here, Control V. Now if I want to add some scribbles, then I'll do that. I'll do this again, and because I chose this keyword and this keyword, I'll just draw some scribble around it. Then I'll take screenshot of this, good one. I'll add another page. Okay, then I'll go here, copy, paste on the next page. Then I'll come to this, arrow and arrow, copy, add a new page, Control V. Now I'll take a screenshot of this page, arrow, 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 arrow. I can make it bigger if I want. I can drag it around if you want, and then I'll copy, open another page, paste it. Okay, so my research results, where I got all these results from, where I came from, where all are here. Now I need to know whether this website is legit or not. So I'm gonna search with this. I'll search for user testing legit. I can pretty much get a clear idea about what's gonna happen when someone will try this website. So you have to present your sample and a reviewer will review your work. Also, somebody is saying it is not equivalent to even a part-time job. It's definitely a side gig to bring some extra cash. Yeah, okay, let's see Trustpilot, rating 4.4, super cool. Now the next section is get paid to test, because that's what it's all about. I'll go to YouTube and I will search for user testing step by step and try to find some videos like this who will talk about how to pass that test. And of course, not those people who will promise immediate $100, $200, because it's never going to be that easy. It has to go through some process. This one looks good, but it's 2 years old. So I want a little recent. So I will forget about all these keywords and I will simply search with user testing and try to find some recent videos as much as possible. So this one looks like 3 months old. This one 2 months old. This is promising. I'm going to open this one and I will quickly skip the video, try to understand what they're showing. Are they really showing the process or they're going through the website? Well, everybody can go through the website, but I actually want to see whether they are doing it themselves. All right, super cool. I think this video is not bad at all. So I'm going to take copy of this video or the video URL and I'll paste it somewhere here. And basically I will also take a screenshot of some other videos that I like to watch myself and learn from. Copy the screenshot, paste it here. You might be asking why. Here is the why. Because I'm not going to do anything myself. I'm going to give this to my team members and they will plan the whole video for me. They will open an account, they will test, they will get paid, and then I will add the voiceover on the video and the editors will edit the video. The final video will be published. So I have done my job. It's literally all the information in one place for my team members so they don't have to spend time or waste time. Now I'm going to mention here user testing research, and then I will use my template, shoot the video using camera, add voiceover to the screencast videos made by my team members, and the job is done. Thank you. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, if these videos are helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way you get notified next time we upload a new video. If you have made to this part of this video, then congratulations, because this is where the magic begins, the secret formula. And I request you not to share this with anyone. Haha, I'm joking. These formulas are everywhere. It's just you who is going to use them and turn it into profits. So what is it? It's a template, a simple template for the content. And when you put your information in this template, your title will be ready, your thumbnails will be ready, your hooks will be ready, and so your views, subscribers, clicks and sales will be read. So let me show you how I use it. So these are the sections. First, the hook. The hook is the main reason why your viewers would watch your video. So it's all about viewers. If it's about weight loss, then you mention what is the biggest benefit regarding weight loss, what kind of exact numbers, exact results, and in exact time for the results. And it has to go with the keyword that you are targeting. You want your audience to watch the complete video. For that, immediately after the hook, you should mention what is the biggest benefit if they watch the full video. So you can mention what is better in the latter part of the video, how it will be easier if they watch the full video, and what's so exciting that's coming next. Now you primed your viewers to watch the complete video. Give them a quick call to action, asking for clicking the description if they want, or whenever they need, or whenever they want. They can find everything in the description. Maybe it's an opt-in page or a sales page, or maybe you just want them to subscribe to your channel, hit the like button, switch on the notification bell button, etc. Immediately go to your authority, why they should listen to you, because at this point after the CTA, some people would say I don't want to watch. But when you establish your authority by showing who you are, introducing yourself, your numbers, your achievements quickly, then your viewers will have a solid reason to watch the rest of the video. Now you align yourself with the pain or the problems of your audience. You tell them that you had the same problem, and then you agitate the problem saying what more problems occurred due to that problem or those problems. Now your viewers know that you are an authority who they should listen to and who had the same problem. This is the time you ask them to subscribe, like, and switch on the notification bell button, or whatever your CTA or call to action is. Then you tell them what exactly happened or how things changed for the better and your problem was solved. Now don't worry about it because there's so much to cover. You will not have to speak a lot about any section. So it's really easy once you practice. Then talk about your success, you talk about the feelings, you talk about the benefits you are enjoying right now, and then comes the content. Now the question you might be asking, why are you saying all these things and not the content directly? Because all these are important for your viewers to take action according to your CTA, whatever it might be. Whether you are selling, whether you are collecting opt-ins, building your subscribers base, or ranking your video, or getting traffic to somewhere, you will not get the actions from your viewers if you don't follow a proven, well-established formula, and this is one of the formulas. Okay, then I use a simple table to complete the title. Now here is the deal. Which one will you work first? Will you make the content first, or the video first, or the title first? Well, in fact, they're all together. In my opinion, when you are doing the research, you should already know about your numbers, the main keywords you are targeting, how to achieve with or without, and the final title, the final hook, the final everything should be ready all together. So in my opinion, the content can be created at the final stage. So this is what I do. I fill in these blanks, I create the title, I know what I'm talking about, I know about my template, and after finishing all this, when I start shooting the video or create any kind of content, it's super easy for me. It takes 1 or maximum 2 takes to complete a complete video. Now I will show you how I use AI to fill in these forms, even create content, create title. Stay tuned. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, if these videos are helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way you get notified next time we upload a new video. Now I will go to the AIDA or Pain Agitation Solution subsection under Sales Copy category. So let's try with AIDA, AIDA. All I have to do is to click Generate Copy, and my copy is generated. Now according to our template, we need a hook, we need a why, we need a CTA. So look at this now. The first sentence is attention. We are looking for people who want to make money online. This is a good one, but we can actually take the attention part from other 1 or more results, like this one. Do you want to make money online without any technical knowledge? And then we can say you can earn $150 per day with user testing, and then we can mention in this part that in this video we will share how you can do that, and you can make starting from X number to Y number within this amount of time, and you can start within next this many minutes. So keep watching this video, because now you will say why to watch the full video. If you watch the full video, in this video we will share A, B, C, D, E. You can mention your your special bonus or any special benefit that users will get if they watch the full video. Also continue with any of the desires. This is a great opportunity to start making money online from home without experience or skills. And you can also add, we are actually looking for people who want to make money online. And the CTA is equal to the action mentioned here, although you can decide what type of CTA you want to add. But you can see it is really easy to get a copy or a script ready using Copyblock. Now, of course, we need description in the YouTube video. For that, go to the video section and click video description. Click nothing but generate copy and it gives you a nice little description. In a lot of cases, you don't have to change anything at all. Now let's show you something interesting. Let's say the story part where you share that you had the same problem. Go to Copyblock, click the edit answers, and your video title is already here. Copy it. Now you want to go to the blog section and go to blog post ideas, go to blog post articles, blog post titles. You can use anything you want. But the main thing here is you need to change the description a little bit, and you should say that I used to be broke and I wanted to write your story, earn this much in 48 hours, make money online, PayPal for beginners, without website, technical knowledge and experience, right? Now this needs to be creative. So let's keep it highly creative, an audience to people who want to make money online. And you want the tone of voice to be, let's say, friendly, and see what happens. Honestly, before I move forward, I want to copy it because I spent some time on it. I want to post it here so I can use it over and over. Already awesome text generated, but I'm not happy much, so I'm gonna regenerate the copy. Now this one is great. It says, imagine this, you can make enough money by the end of 48 hours that would cover your bills and live the lifestyle you always wanted. If that's not enough, you can triple up and make more. Make our funnel setup, la 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 la. So you can copy a part of it and then some bullet points, what you're going to learn, how to generate $150 per day, make more money and continuing basis. No requirement of technical knowledge required, decent amount of free time. Ooh, good ones, okay? So if I copy these, remove some names and irrelevant parts and add these, then this would be awesome. But before that, in the pain section, my story section, I can also add this, hey, my name is Steve. In case I will mention, hi, my name is Mosh. I used to be someone who couldn't make money online. I was in a rut. Or I can add this section at the beginning. I can add this section at the beginning, and then I can say, imagine this, and then I can add 1, 2, 3. My introduction is ready. So let me show you. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna combine a couple of answers. So this one, I used to be section, which is my story section. I will add this, and then I will copy up to here and paste this, and then copy this bullet point and paste this. So I had the same problem. Content is ready. Just like this, going back and forth, within 15 to 20 minutes, my video script gets written completely using Copyblock. By the way, the link is in the description. Go get it whenever you're ready. If you like this video, if these videos are helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way you get notified next time we upload a new video.